Guys, back again with another video with your man Be Heard. So finally, as you read in the title, the new rims for the Elantra. Oh my god. The old ones I got, the 20-inch rim ones, you guys can check my channel if you guys haven't already seen it. There was an issue about the tires being too tall and the offset was almost dead center of the rim, and because the rims were so huge and they were especially made for a Genesis 5.0, the rims were way too popped out. They were about an inch and a half out of the fender, I would say, and which makes the turning radius just way too big. And then I had an issue, so I had to get 225s, had to just stay the same width of a tire, but I was trying to get more meat out of a tire so I can put onto the car, but it just wasn't possible. So those rims were just way too big, and then the manufacturers, it's a whole big issue. Just make sure you guys check out my channel. I have a video just for that. I don't want to just give up everything about it. You guys can go watch it. I have everything right there. I explained the whole problem with those rims and what I'm going to do with them and everything. So, but for now, the good news is that I do have the new rims. And just to show you guys a little sneak peek, this is actually the rim right here inside. I'm actually going to open it for you guys. I'm going to unbox it. Obviously it's just one rim, right? This is the these are some rough racing rims. This is an 18, not a 20-inch no more. This is an 18 by 8.5, so it has the same width as the other rim but just 2 inches smaller, and the rim design is a lot different. This one, personally, in my opinion, I think it's a lot better. And so there's 3 more boxes in the garage, and I do have all 4 tires. The size on those tires, I will say now I finally got the tires I wanted from the start. So alright, here's the size. They're 255 by 35 by 18. Yeah, I said 255. So I'm going up 3 full sizes from 225s to 255s, just because I am having some grip issues. I will be showing you guys some 0 to 60 times. I do have some proofs of what I've been running with it. And I still remember the numbers on my Jetta. Has to be a separate video. I'm going to be trying the 0 to 60 times. So yeah, so I have the time already, the 0 to 60 time on the tires I have currently, and I'm going to be trying it with the new rims, with the obviously way wider tire, just because I'm having way too much slippage. So let's get right to it, and I'm going to be showing you guys how they look like. So they're already off the package, right? I already took off the straps and the tape and everything else going on, and then it's going to be the installation kit right here, just to help have the fitment of the rims fit my car. And also another thing was as well, it took a little longer to ship in. It's exactly on the point on how I said when they're going to come here, right, for what I promised. So what went on to happen was, on car ID, when I ordered these rims, what ended up happening was that I didn't put a specific vehicle that I was getting them for, and they wanted to guarantee the fitment. So these rims do exceed the limit of what size I guess fits on my car from what they have, but just because they were a little bit wider, they wanted to make sure that it's going to guarantee the fitment on my Elantra. And I was like, alright, go ahead. And they spoke to an expert, and it says 100% guaranteed these rims will fit on my car. So enough of that. Let's just give it a look. Oh man, this is crazy. Unboxing more rims. Alright, so you know what? Let me actually remove the whole thing. Alright. That's that. And then just remove the cover. I think this is weird. Alright, so here it is. Oh man, these are bad. Hold on, let me just put it on the bed real quick. Oh man. I don't know if you guys can see that really well right there. Try to get the reflection. And then it's branded there in the middle. So that's that. So I'm guessing, yeah, they're just all the bolts. He gave me the valves. Where they say, you see this right here. There's all the bolts right here that go with the rim right here. Here's the key right here, the wheel key, the lock, and also as well as there's valves. I guess you'll be able to see everything right there. So yeah. So keep watching, guys, and I'll be showing you everything else. Guys, so you saw the rim. Everything is cool. Super raining right now. It was actually hailing just a minute ago. I don't know why. It's Phoenix, Arizona, guys. It's supposed to be hot, right? But living my whole life, I've never seen it rain this much, though. It's freaking crazy. Running for a couple days straight, non-stop. So yeah, so the rims, right? I'm gonna show you the rims and the tires and everything just in a moment. But because it's raining so much, I'm not sure if I can be able to install the rims and tires. But I'm gonna do my best to see what I can do about that. I actually have planned, because it was yesterday when I showed you the rim. Actually, it's just that it was pouring way more yesterday, but today it's like off and on. It's really like bipolar right now. So I'm gonna see what I can do, and I'm gonna see if I can slap them on, and I'm gonna be showing you guys the tires and rims too. So before I even put it on, so enjoy the video, right? Some ice right there. You guys can really catch that. Crazy. I don't know if you can see it from here. Alright guys, so let me just, oh damn. Alright guys, so stay tuned, I'll be showing you it. Oh damn, look at that pile up. Crazy. What up guys, so here are the tires right here. You can, if you can see on it, the hand size on it. And then the rims right here in the back, and then two more in the trunk. We have the hub-centric rings already. Hub-centric rings. And then we have like the little bolts right there on the floor. And then we'll be set to go. We're at the shop right here at Lopez Tire. So let's get it. Back wheels already swapped out. Let's swap out the front ones. Let's get it. Damn, that's super clean. All done, guys. Now to test it out. Today. So the car is done. Everything's beautifully done. I don't know if you guys saw in the last video clips of how it was like finishing up, and then the very end where the vehicle was just fully done already. But I didn't get a full overview of the whole vehicle. And I did do some 0 to 60 times, like I said. I do have both times from the old wheels to the new wheels. I will be putting a picture of that. So here's the car now. Just walk to it. And here it is in the daytime. So it does pop out a little bit, but just not as much as before with the old rim. And then the other issue with the turning I had, but these right here, and because they are 255s, I did do the 0 to 60 times. This car is way more grippier on turns, by far. Just all around and everything, cornering, braking, brake action braking is really good. Let me see if I can just show you guys. If I can put in the car. You guys can see right there how wide they are. And the cool little angle I saw was when I was here in the backyard one time. I was trying to look at the car. I was doing something, but yeah, just pretty much a view from the car. Just looking at the grill and the wheels. There she is, guys. Wheels all bolted on, 255 by 35 by 18. You guys have any comments on the car and on the rims, the fitment and everything, just let me know. I'll answer all you guys' questions. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, share the video. Love you guys. And I'll be posting up the little pictures of the 060 right now. So take care, guys. Love you. So as you can see, this is a 0 to 60 time I got while doing it with the 225s. And you can see how I got about 6.3 pretty much is what I was getting, and I got it 3 times in a row. And then while I put in the 255s, I didn't really get enough time to retest it over and over. But I tried it without traction control and then with traction control. I noticed without traction control, the car actually launched a lot better, and that's how I got this time right here. So this is pretty much 5.9. It's pretty much what I was getting, and that's actually what I got on my first try, actually without traction control. I actually got a worse time with traction control on for some weird reason. I don't think I launched right, to be honest. I didn't pre-launch the car. I didn't, like, how can you say it, like, have it to 2000 RPM and then launch it. I just had it from like a sit still without revving it or nothing and just going. So I got like a pretty bad time with that. But once I took off traction control and I actually did it this time, actually holding it, it spun out just a little bit, just for like a second or two, not too long, like how I used to with the 225s. And actually, just once it caught on, it just went and went, and it just, once it hit 60, I ended up getting it with 5.9. So those are the times. Like and subscribe. Hope you guys love my channel and my video and everything. Make sure you share the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.